What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm gonna be making some food. I bought this Walmart little pack of meat, so we'll see how that goes. But this is just a little update on Mia. It's what day is it?
4.
Yeah.
She's 4 days old.
4 days old. Everything's going good.
She's doing so good.
Yeah.
We're on a routine now.
It's doing good. She sleeps. She's not really a bad baby, but she's already growing up, so it's sad. But I'm gonna start cooking, so we'll see y'all right now. Alright, y'all, so I found this in Walmart, and I'm like, this seems pretty interesting. I never seen like barbacoa in like it says microwave, but we'll see how that goes. But it look cool. I'm like, we'll try it. I've actually made this before from scratch. It's a lot of work, but it's so fire. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this is, see if it tastes good. We'll do a little test tasting in the end once I'm finally done with it, but the package looks good. I'm gonna throw it in the microwave and we'll see how it comes out. Just so the packaging called for a microwave, but I just thought this would be better. So I added some beef broth in here with some seasoning to make sure everything was good. But I think this is probably a better way to cook it. It looks good, smells good, and we'll see. I know some people usually make them like this, but I usually just use 2 tortillas and then cut them out. But these are good too. Now let's get a taste test. Alright, this is the taste test. And I know it's like weird a little bit because who makes these, but we just wanted to try them out, see how they are. And it's probably like a sin to like grandparents for us to do it. They'll be like, you have to make it fresh. But I know my grandma will kill me if she found out. I made microwave birria. It's cool. That's good. It's like a restaurant, same old thing. This is how they look. They're not like bland or flavorless. They actually have good flavor.
If only we had more cheese. I just love cheese.
I definitely ran out of cheese, but they're so good. I did make them different. Obviously didn't put it in the microwave, but even in the stovetop, they came out good. I did add seasoning, maybe that's why they're good, but. And yeah, I don't eat cilantro or onion. I don't know if you
I
do.
don't either.
So we're both pretty much plain, but I think it's good. Y'all might not think it's good, but y'all could go ahead and try it yourself and see if you like it. But that's it for this video. Don't mind my messy shirt. Alright y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. We're gonna have more interesting videos for the next few days. This is day 10, I think. Yeah, this Vlogmas day 10. I think we're gonna make it strong, but we're gonna have better content coming up soon. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one. See ya.
Bye.